for letting me show you pin cushions. Pin cushions are becoming a rage in the world of quilters now. People enjoy making tiny little treasures to use themselves or to give away. But these are pin cushions with a little flair, and I call them country cousins because most of the time I work with fancy pieces of linen. But these are done from pieces of table scarves or aprons that came probably from the 1950s and were probably embroidered by average housewives. Little hand towels like the one I have draped over the side of the basket here. So you cut little pieces of them. For example, this one has little chickens. And when people see this is a lovely one with a little bird. They are more fun to make than whipped cream. People look at them and they describe them as stinking cute. I must give credit to a woman named Kelly Klein, who began the practice of making pin cushions out of vintage kitchen linens. And Kelly Klein's on the web, so if you're interested in pin cushions, you'll certainly want to look at her work as well as my own. So, pin cushions, lots of fun, and they're stuffed. Everyone wants to know what they're stuffed with. These are stuffed with walnut shells that you buy at the pet store because it turns out walnut shells are what lizards like to use in the bottom of their cage. So they're filled with lizard litter, it's called, from the pet store. They can also be filled with sand if someone doesn't want nut products in their pin cushion.